So example number 3 is really an interesting example. Nathan wants a small loan to renovate his living room. His bank has agreed to loan him the money, and he's charged 4.2% compounded quarterly. On another note, Nathan has a 10-year GIC that will mature in 4 years. He wishes to use this GIC to pay off the loan in one payment. So the GIC will be worth $15,000 at maturity. And that is when Nathan will pay off the loan. The loan payment cannot exceed the maturity amount of the GIC. So what is going on? Here's Nathan. Now this is money management at its finest. Now Nathan has saved up in this GIC. However, now I'm just going to say this is maybe future. In the future, he knows that this is worth $15,000. Now he's really thinking to himself, I would like to renovate my living room in today. Why don't I, this is his thought, and it's a really great thought, and it sort of shows the value of thinking about money creatively. Why don't I take out a loan so that in 4 years' time, the future value will be $15,000. And then very simply, I can take this and just pay off the loan. So read the question again, see if this little explanation makes sense. If you notice, I've put down the time value of money calculator and variables here. I'm just going to start plugging in variables. So my interest on my loan, easy to pick off, that's 4.2%. Okay, I'm just going to go through this. So I got that. My loan is compounded quarterly, so that's 4. Now the payments I'm going to be making, well, I'm not going to be making any regular payments. I'm going to be paying it off in a lump sum. So when my payments are 0, that automatically defaults to my payments per year is 1. So 4 years, GIC in one payment. That was this lump sum business here, right? The GIC will be in the future, right? The GIC will be worth $15,000. I would really like to calculate the present value of this GIC. So now it says 4 years and payments per year is 1, so n is equal to 4. When I take out my calculator, I should get a present value of $12,691.42. So Nathan should borrow, in today's dollars, $12,691.42 today, and that will be worth $15,000 in 4 years. I've simply entered all this in my calculator. I'm going to find out how much presently that is worth. It's worth presently would give me $12,691.42. So it's exactly. So now that answers A. B, how much interest did he end up paying? Well, you can take $15,000, right? So it's going to cost him this much in real, right, cost of borrowing. It's going to end up costing this amount of money. Is there a way that I can do that in my calculator? Sure. Again, so finance. So I'm going to go up. It's a lot shorter to go up the menu than down to A. So select interest. Sorry, I should quit that first. So what we have here is interest from the first payment to the fourth payment, and the answer ends up being, the interest calculator, or this way, is $2,308.58, I believe. Let me just check that again. Wonderful. If you have any questions, please ask.